Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve the login issues if the Clearscore login is not working. So let's get started right away. First of all, you will need to check whether you are connected to a stable internet connection through either a Wi-Fi or data connection. So make sure that your device is connected to the internet first and try running any other application that also uses the internet. If this application is working just fine, then your internet connection is not to blame. So now you will need to check whether your application is updated to the latest version. So open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device, and then tap on the search box and then type in Clearscore and start your search. Once you find the Clearscore application, tap on it, and if you see an update button instead of open, then you will need to tap on it to install the latest updates for the app. Just wait for a while until the update is completed, and when you see the open button once again, you can tap on it and try logging back in and see if your issue is fixed. If this still doesn't resolve your issue, then long press on the Clearscore application and tap on the info button. You will now be taken into the application info page for Clearscore. First of all, tap on force stop at the bottom right corner to stop the application. Then scroll down and tap on storage. From the storage page, click on clear data at the bottom left corner and then tap on the delete button to delete all of your user data for the Clearscore app. And now you can open up the Clearscore application once again and then tap on the login button and proceed with entering your email address and your account password, and then click on the login button to log into your Clearscore account once again. And there you have it. That is how you can solve the login issues within the Clearscore application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.